Hey guys, today on the channel we're going to be replacing our cabin air filter on our 2017 Ram. So stick around if you'd like to see how we did it. Alright guys, in order to install our cabin air filter in our 2017 Ram 1500, we're going to go on ahead and get underneath the passenger side glove box and we'll get that loaded up. This is a Wix air filter. Part number is 24579. Alright, so the first step in order to go on ahead and get this changed out is you're going to want to lower your glove box. Over here on the side of your glove box there's going to be like a little tether right here. You want to just slide that down and pop it out, and then from there you should be able to squeeze both sides of the, one side of the glove box, and it should just pop right on out there for you. Alright guys, so this is where your cabin air filter is going to be in your Ram, your 2017 Ram 1500. Now some Rams did not come with this. If yours does not have this, there is a mod that you can do, I believe, to do that. But this one, mine came with it. I didn't have to do anything to it. So in order to take this off, there's little tabs on each side, so you just want to squeeze the tab on each side and that'll pop it right on off. And that's all there is to it. You just set that tab on the box, the little cover on the floor, and then from there you can go on ahead and pull out your air filter, your cabin air filter, and that looks pretty nasty. So we will go on ahead and definitely get that replaced right there. Now on the cover right here, I don't know if you can see that right there, there is an arrow and it says airflow down. So on your new filter, when you go to install it right here, there is an arrow on that as well, pointing which way the airflow should be going. So if my airflow is coming down from above, I'm going to put it in this way right here, so that way it'll work correctly. All right, so there we go. So we got the new cabin air filter in here. It just slides right on into place right here. No big issues. You just slide it on in and you're good to go. All right, and then this cover, it just goes on ahead and pops right back into place here. You'll hear it click on each side, and that should be it. So that is all there is to it. And then you just got to put your glove box back in. So in order to put your glove box back in, here's your retractable cable right up in here that you'll want to pull out and connect to your glove box as you're putting it back in there. If you look down here, there's little bars, and then on the bottom of your glove box you have little hooks that just kind of set on those bars right there. So you just want to make sure that those are setting on there, and then once those are on there, like so, I don't know if you can see that right there, you can fold your glove box up, and then it's kind of hard to do with one hand. And then there's only one way it can go. You just pop it in and then it slides back a little bit to lock into place, and that's all there is to it. Alright guys, so that is all there is to changing the cabin air filter in your 2017 Ram 1500. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next project. Thank you.